Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to verify your Speechpad transcription account easily and efficiently. Welcome to our channel. Let's get started with verifying your Speechpad transcription account, which is essential for accessing transcription jobs. And ensuring your profile is active and ready. Here is a straightforward step-by-step process that will help you complete the verification quickly. First, navigate to the official Speechpad website and sign in using your credentials if you haven't registered yet. You'll need to create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Once logged in, look for the verification prompt, which usually appears as a pop-up or a notification at the top of your dashboard. The next step is to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a message from Speechpad. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam folder, open the email, and click on the verification link, which will redirect you back to Speechpad, confirming your email has been verified. After verifying your email, Speechpad may require you to submit additional identification to confirm your identity. This can include uploading a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Make sure the scanned copy or photo of your ID is clear and all details are visible. Submit the document through the designated upload area on the website or app. The verification process may also request that you complete a short transcription test to assess your skills. This step is crucial to ensure you meet the quality standards of the Speechpad platform. Take your time to complete the test carefully and submit it. Once you have submitted your identification and passed any required tests, you will receive a confirmation notification from Speechpad indicating your account is verified and ready to use. From this point onward, you can start accepting transcription assignments and begin your journey as a Speechpad transcriber. To summarize, verifying your Speechpad account involves registering or logging in, verifying your email, submitting valid identification, and completing any required tests. All these steps are designed to keep the platform secure and maintain high-quality standards for clients and transcribers alike. Don't forget to update your profile with your skills and preferences to attract the best matching jobs. This guide should make the process smooth and hassle-free.